Welcome to Overland Park, where maintaining your home's beauty and functionality is a priority. But when gutters get clogged, it can lead to serious water damage and unwanted pests. That's where gutter covers come into play. With years of expertise in gutter protection, the Gutter Guys offer a solution that ensures your gutters stay clear and effective all year round. Our premium gutter covers are designed to keep leaves, twigs, and other debris out of your gutters, preventing clogs and reducing maintenance. In Overland Park, many homes face the risk of gutter-related issues. Don't let yours be one of them. Gutter covers prevent debris from entering your gutters, ensuring water flows smoothly away from your home. This not only safeguards your property from potential water damage, but also helps maintain its appearance and value. Ready to protect your gutters? Reach out to the Gutter Guys in Overland Park today. Contact the Gutter Guys at 866-931-8441 or visit our website at https://thegutterguys.lc. The Gutter Guys, your trusted partner in keeping your home safe, beautiful, and hassle-free. Call now and see the difference for yourself. Don't wait until it's too late. Secure your gutters with the Gutter Guys today.